How to stop background apps on Windows 11. First, stop the specific apps via Settings. Click on the Start icon. Click on the gear icon in order to access Settings. Now click on the option Apps. You can see various apps and features installed on your device over here. Click on the app that you do not want to run in background. Now click on the Advanced options. Over here you can find the option for background apps. Toggle the button off. Now this app will not be permitted to run in background. Follow the same process for other applications if you want. After that, the background permission for the app will be turned off. You can also block the desktop apps using the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. Click on the search bar. Type in Task Manager. Find the option for Task Manager and click on the option Open. Now the Task Manager has been opened. Click on the option Startup. You can see the applications over here. Click on the software you want to prevent from running. Now click on the option Disable that you can see on the screen. Now this particular application or software will not be able to automatically start and it will not run in the background. You can also force stop active apps permanently. For that, what you have to do is press Windows and R on your keyboard. Run will be opened. Type in gpedit.msc. Press Enter. Now navigate to the computer configuration. You can see various options over here. Click on the option Administrative Templates. Click on the option Windows Components. Now over here find the option for App Privacy and click on it. Find the option for Let Windows Apps Run in the Background policy. Once you find that option, double click on it. Now this kind of windows will be opened up. Click on the option Enabled. Now in the options you can find the option for Default for all apps. Click on it. Click on the option Force Deny. Click on the option Apply. Now click on the option OK. Now after that the background apps will be turned off completely. Like this you'll be able to stop background apps on Windows 11. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.